So now that we've reviewed how to unpack an assignment, we are going to unpack our own assignment using what we learned from Jaden's assignment. So we are still in our iReady writing books. We are open up to page 13. Let me show you what that looks like. You see the 13. And it will say guided practice. You'll see our writing buddy, Herschel, over here. And Herschel says, let's read and mark your assignment. Okay, so write time, your assignment. How did the, here's another word I'm not sure how to say, but I want to be respectful because it looks like it's a group of people. So let's look up how to pronounce that.
Powhatan. Powhatan.
Powhatan. Say it with me.
Powhatan.
Powhatan. Powhatan.
Powhatan.
Powhatan. Okay. How did the Powhatan people use natural resources? Now, the Powhatan are a Native American group. So you're going to need to know that for this assignment. The Powhatan are a Native American group. Okay, the little book symbol says, read My Dad Lives History and Nature's Resources. The little pencil says, write a paragraph for your classmates. Tell about 2 resources the Powhatan people used. In the beginning, tell the topic. Give facts and details about the topic in the middle. Sum up the information at the end. Okay, so we have some directions we need to follow about our assignment. And they are right here. We're still on page 13. And we're looking under our assignment right here where it says underline. So number 1, underline the question you will answer. So let's look back at our assignment. Which one do you think is the question we're going to answer? Is it this one, or this one? Take a minute to think. That's right. I think that it's this one because it has a question mark and it's asking us a question. So let's go ahead and underline it in our books. It doesn't matter what color you use, by the way. Any color is fine. Okay, let's read number 2. Draw a box around what you will write. What do you think we're going to write? Where will we draw our box? Will it be here, here, or here? I'll give you a minute to think. Okay. It says write a paragraph. So I'm going to put a box around the word paragraph because our instructions told us to draw a box around what you will write. And we're going to write a paragraph. Okay, moving on to number 3. Circle who will read what you write. So take another minute, look at your assignment, and circle who will read what you write. You can pause this video and think if you need more time. I think that it's our classmates. Our classmates are the people who will read what we write. And also your teachers, but it doesn't say that in there. So now I have a couple of questions for you about our assignment. My first question is, what are resources? Because on this question mark, when it says, how did the Powhatan, let me make sure I'm saying this right again. Powhatan. How did the Powhatan people use natural resources? What are resources? You can think in your head. You can whisper the answer out loud. You might have said that resources are things found in nature that people use to live. Resources are things found in nature that people use to live. And that's right. My next question for you is, what will you use to learn about the resources that the Powhatan used? What will you use to learn about the resources that the Powhatan used? Now, if you remember when we were thinking about Jaden's assignment, we looked at this book symbol to tell us what resources to use. So look at the book symbol and then whisper to your screen what resources you think we'll use. Okay, you might have said, my dad lives history and nature's resources. And you would be right. Those are the resources that we're going to use. And my final question for you is, who will read your paragraph? If you think back to what we just did, we circled who was going to read our paragraph. So go ahead and whisper to your screen. Did you say your classmates and your teacher? Yes, that's right. Our classmates and our teachers are going to read what we wrote. Okay, we are almost done with our writing for the day. I just have one more activity for you that you are going to upload to Schoology. So I want you to answer this question for our quick write. How will the beginning of your paragraph be different from the middle? How will the beginning of your paragraph be different from the middle? You can write this answer in your notebook or on a piece of paper and take a picture and upload it to Schoology. Or you can just type your answer and upload it to Schoology. Either way, that is your assignment for the day. And I will see you guys tomorrow for our next writing session. Bye, everybody.